Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part. It's good for beginners to exercise. I download it from Pinterest. You can download it too and exercise it. Let's see how we can make this. Start a new drawing part. Okay. On the front plane, I will draw some circles. And give them dimension. First, this is 40 millimeter according to drawing. This is 70. This is radius is 20 millimeter. So dia is 40 millimeter. This is 20 millimeter, and these both are equal, and these both are equal. These are equal. Now let's define some relations. Let's give it a dimension. It's 50 millimeter from here and 50 from here. Let's draw some lines to connect them. And there is one more circle here. Tangent, and this is tangent, and dia of this circle is, radius is given 8 but it's 16 because it's dia. Now let's trim it. Let me draw a center line for mirror purpose, and let me mirror these entities and this mirror. The sketch is fully defined. Let me trim some extra sketches. Now we are ready to extrude it. Extrude this and this, and we will go 12 millimeter back side. Okay, so this is the part. Let me check again. It's 12 millimeter, 20 millimeter, sorry, it's 12. Okay, sketch, extruded boss. This one, this is 38 millimeter. Okay, so let me draw some few things like these. On the front plane, I will draw a rectangle. Give it a dimension from here to there. It is 70. And this is 10 millimeter, and from center to here It is 25 total. 25 by 2 is 12.5. Let me convert this entity. Sorry. Let me convert this entity. Convert it. Now trim the extra part. So this is okay, and we can extrude it now. Extrude, reverse direction 30 millimeter, and offset from front is 6 millimeter, like so. It looks good. We click OK to accept it. Now let me draw some few circles here and tangent them. Let me tangent, please bear with me. And there is a circle here of 15 millimeter. Let's convert these lines, these edges, and trim the extra portion. We don't need this. Now we are ready to cut extrude. We'll cut this one, and this one. Okay. On this face I will draw a circle and give it a dimension of 30 millimeter. Okay, it's fully defined. Let me convert this. Convert entity. Let's extrude it up to 4 millimeter. Now all is left to mirror it. So we'll select all these things and mirror about right plane. Okay, the part is complete. Let's give it a appearance like so. I think it looks good. So this is a very simple exercise. You can download it from Pinterest and exercise on it. I hope you like it. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.